Hello everyone, hope all of you are doing well. I am your host Prashanjit Ghosh. I am a SEBI registered research analyst and a price action trader. Today I am going to do a performance analysis of my old YouTube stream, as well as I am going to do a weekly analysis of Nifty, Bank Nifty and some stocks and try to find out some trades as well. So in my last YouTube live stream, episode 12, 8 January 2023, I said that Nifty might create a base candle at the support, and Nifty has created a weekly base candle and has freaked out the support. So overall, this is a successful analysis which I have done. My overall weekly success ratio is 76.9% and my failed ratio is 15.4% and partial success is 7.7%. I have also done couple of monthly predictions, and out of which all the predictions has come true. My January prediction is that there will be a bearish candle forming in the monthly chart of Nifty, and it is work in progress. We will come to know after 2 or 3 weeks from now that whether it is going to become a bearish candle or something else. I have also given couple of investment calls. In my episode 2, 23rd October 2022, I have given Glenmark and Bank of Baroda. Both has achieved 13.26% and 37.37% by just 2 months, 22 days time. In my episode number 9, 11 December 2022, I again has given an investment call on NMDC. This trade has now achieved 7.90% in just 1 month, 4 days time. That's fabulous. You cannot find one fixed deposit or any investment where you can make 7.90% in just 1 month time. In my episode 11, 1st January 2023, I said you can go long in SAIL, and by now SAIL has already achieved 8.01% in just 14 days time. Definitely a lot of good trades we are discussing here, and they are working in our favor. So let's go and talk about Nifty and do some analysis and try to find out what it is going to do this week. As I said in my last couple of sessions that Nifty is making a very steep angle. When any chart, as far as price action goes, makes a steep angle, that is a signal that the trend is going to change. So here Nifty is in a very steep angle, and we believe that somewhere near the trend has to change. Based on this, in my last couple of sessions, I have marked this area and I said that price of Nifty will turn from this area, and we can see price has started coming down. In monthly chart, as expected and as predicted, a dark cloud cover candlestick pattern has formed in this chart. Dark cloud cover is a 2 candlestick pattern where first candlestick is a green candlestick and the next candlestick is a red candlestick. This is a reversal signal, and generally after this candlestick the price changes its trend and comes down. Now last week, as I said, I was predicting a base candle. The base candle I was expecting to break this support. And as you can see, there is a base candle formed. The base candle has faked out the support. The second thing I was predicting here, what if price gaps down below the support? I said 2 things can happen that day. That one, a base candle forms, or price gaps down below the support, and if that happens, price will go down and an extended range candle or momentum candle will form. Price has formed a base candle and the support was taken out. So the support is basically cutting through the base candle. Now what is next? That we need to understand whether price is going to go down or go up first. Now when I look at this chart here in this time frame, I see that the way the price is behaving here, this resembles couple of harmonics pattern. If a harmonics pattern form here, then my expectation is that from here the price will go up to this point and then it might come down. So how to trade? As of now, this harmonics pattern is not ready. This is based on the way the price is moving. The way the price has tested all the levels and come down and giving one more reaction, possibilities are bright that it can create a harmonics pattern. Right? Which harmonics pattern? That we will come to know later once the price creates it. But overall, I think there is a chance that a harmonics pattern gets created. I have a trap zone there and I believe the harmonics pattern will complete there and then the price will start coming down. So how to trade? How, as a price action trader, we can take the advantage and make some money from this particular setup. Understand, price is moving sideways and two things can happen from here. One, the harmonics pattern gets completed, price moves up, or the second is price goes down and no harmonics pattern forms. Both can happen. As I said, the harmonics pattern has not been created. It is something I am thinking right now. Chance of a harmonics pattern formation there. A bearish harmonics pattern, right? So how to trade? I will simply go to the hourly chart and I will mark two SRs. One is this resistance and the another is this support. I'm removing this one, otherwise you will get confused. So I have marked a support and a resistance. Why this support and why this resistance, that I will teach you in my price action courses. Now, if price tomorrow goes up and engulfs this particular resistance, then you are supposed to, once price retraces back and creates a trap zone, you are supposed to go long from there till this point. So there will be an intraday nice long trade for you if price breaks this high. And if price breaks that high, price will also then move up and create this harmonics pattern. So we can take an advantage, we can take a trade from there and make some money. And once the harmonics pattern gets created, then we will look for a short trade again. Now, what if tomorrow price doesn't move up, doesn't break this resistance? If price fails to break this resistance, we will simply wait for price to break this support. Okay. Once this support breaks on retracement to a trap zone, we will go short, right? So we can both go long or short. It all depends whether the resistance is going to break or the support is going to break. Friends, never try this, because you might think that I am trading based on a particular resistance and support break. No, that is not the case. If that would have been the case, think this resistance got broken. What happened? Price came down and made a lower low, right? So not always break of a resistance gives you a long trade, or break of a support gives you a short trade, right? There are reasons behind this price action concepts, which is telling me that this resistance is important and this support is important. So break of them will create some kind of a trap zone, which I teach in my trap trading course. So Nifty, I think both ways a trade can be taken, and this is the correct way of handling this situation, because at this moment I think probably a harmonics pattern is going to get created. The chances are bright that next week maybe price goes up first and then comes down. So a lot of volatility is going to happen. Let's go to Bank Nifty and check the Bank Nifty chart. Bank Nifty also, if you look at it, what it is doing, it is again a very steep trend which is going on. When it is steep trend, we expect the trend to change. At the current point in daily chart, in my last couple of sessions, I have discussed that there is an ascending channel, and I was expecting from the ascending channel it is bearish and price is going to come down. Price has come down, then moved up, retest the broken trend line, and now again came down. The way it is behaving here, my target is obviously this level, but the way the price is behaving here, it is telling me probably there might be a harmonics pattern which might get created on this chart. Price might go up, retest this high, and then again come down. So my expectation for Nifty and Bank Nifty for next couple of days or weeks is that it might create a harmonics pattern, a bearish harmonics pattern. Though at this time, this harmonics pattern has not been created in the chart. So it is all from my imagination. So I am imagining that a harmonics pattern will get created on the Nifty chart, and then the price might come down because this will be a bearish harmonics pattern. So how to trade? Again, the same way. As we are not confirmed that a harmonics pattern is going to get created, anything can happen. Okay, price can also go down. So how to handle this thing? Simply, if it breaks this low, then I will go short. Break of this low on retracement, I will go short. And how to go long? Simply break off this high from here. If it breaks this high on retracement, I will go long. Right? So both sides I see trade based on whether the resistance or the support is going to break. So whichever breaks, you are going to get a trade. How big the trade will be, how much will be the risk, and where we should keep the entry, stop and target. Those things I teach in my trap trading course. Friends, this is my thought process for Nifty and Bank Nifty for the next week or couple of days. Hope you like my analysis. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and press the bell icon.